Aloe Vera conditioner for detangling frizz, growth, and shiny hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Okay, clean your fresh piece of aloe vera. I cut the side off right there where it's spiky and dangerous. I'm going to slice it right in the middle. All right, all that nice gooey aloe vera gel, get your spoon and let's scrape it out. Aloe vera is so amazing for your hair. It will grow your hair like crazy. Okay, so now that we're done with aloe vera gel, we're going to stir it up, not till it's a fine texture, but just get rid of some of the clumps and smash it against the side a little bit. And we're going to get ready to place 1 scoop of mayonnaise. Okay, great. Now we're going to get 1 scoop of mayonnaise. Doesn't matter what brand you have. And then after that, we're going to get 1 scoop of fresh avocado, like half of an avocado, and extra olive oil. Going to apply 3 teaspoons and 1 spoon of honey. And my favorite, 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Cold press. Okay, grab your favorite leave-in conditioner. This is one of mine, green apple aloe vera. We're going to place 4 teaspoons of the conditioner in there. So I did make just fresh aloe vera, and I'll have a video about this one too. I'm gonna put it in my hair first because this is gonna be a great detangler, and I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for at least 10 minutes before I do my light shampoo and the special conditioner. That's very slimy, so this one is the slimy aloe vera. So this, what I mean is slimy. I'm gonna show you guys. Just if I just pick up a little piece, it's just like, I hate to say it, but like mucus. It just helps me detangle it. Just so be easy to wash and get everything right. I hope everybody's having a great day today and staying positive. You know, you are, however you, and staying positive, and you know, however you feel, that energy is going to move with you for the rest of the day, you know, and it could even go into somebody else. So just really stay in a great positive attitude, and that will get you really far in life. You know, and stress-free. I mean, some things is out of our hands, you know, that we can't really do nothing about. But this is in my hands, and I am going to get, I want waist or belly button hair length. Like, that's my long-term goal. I don't care if it's gonna take like 7 years, but I'm gonna get this like extravagant hair length. Probably not curly that length, probably straight. Curly will probably be like in the mid of my back. So this feels so good in my hair. It's like, dang. Wish I can use this every wash day, but the process of getting the aloe vera and prepping it and everything, there's a lot to it. So this is something I like to do at least once a week or 3 times a month. I do have a hair challenge, you guys, and I have so many people involved with it, and it's doing really well, and all of us are so happy about our results. I'm not going to use all of it because I think I'm going to apply a little bit of this in my hair after I wash my hair too. Get that scalp, massage it in there. Grow hair, grow. Tell that hair to grow. Get thicker, thicker, thicker. I think it's time, like, let me know, you guys, leave comments down below. I think it's time for me to like do a trim or like a special little curly cut. I don't know, are you guys feeling the cuts that all these girls have right now? They're like bangs and like a lot of layers and it's very fluffy and round. Or do I look better with just this even length? Because right now I've been trying to just maintain an even length hairstyle. Get those edges, because that's where I want it thicker and fuller at. Oh, this feels good on my hair. All right, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more to the back. Let this sit with a baggie on it, and I will be jumping in that shower. Yes, yes. To apply the oregano oil of Morocco shampoo. I'm going to apply this right on my scalp, you guys, and just really massage and relax and stimulate my scalp so I can get that great hair. All right, now it's time to put the aloe vera conditioner. Yes. So this homemade aloe vera conditioner does have a slight smell. So next time I make it, I'll probably add more avocado and less mayonnaise. But other than that, it feels amazing. So now I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner will grow your hair like crazy if you use it as a regular base. You'll never stop growing hair. Say goodbye to dry hair. Grow healthy hair faster. Your hair will never stop growing. Watch this if you're struggling growing your hair. Aloe vera hair benefits. It repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Aloe vera is like a good conditioner. On top of it, we're making an aloe vera conditioner. Aloe vera always leaves my hair soft, smooth, and shiny. done brushing it with my detangle brush, I love showing you guys my shed. Look at that. It's so minimum. So I made a DIY too of this. It's amazing. This aloe vera hot oil treatment with a little bit of castor oil and some other stuff. I have a YouTube video about that too. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll put the link up there. And I always put a little bit of it in my hair when I get the shower. See? Just so I can capture the shine after shampooing the hair. Yes! This smells really good too. Great results, love it. My hair feels so soft and my hair is just so easy to manage right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos, you guys.